Good morning students. You all are welcome to today's online class. I hope you all are practiced the previous class what I have given. Isn't it? Shall we start the today's class students? All of you take your note and books. Let's write the example 6.21. Two ships are sailing in the sea on either sides of a lighthouse. See this diagram. Let's draw the lighthouse. Let's name the lighthouse is AB. Both the side two ships. Let us take that is CD. C and D be the position of two ships. Now see the question. The angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse. It is the top of the lighthouse. As observed from the ships are one side is 30 degree and another side is 45 degree respectively. If the lighthouse is 200 meter high, okay, AB is 200 meter height. Find the distance between the two ships. Find the distance between the two ships. So two ships position we have taken C and D. So we have to find the distance CD. Okay. How can we find out now? Now we have here using the diagram two right triangle. Just identify the sides. It is 90 degree. Opposite of this 90 degree is hypotenuse side. Opposite of this theta is opposite sides. It is opposite side. Nearest to the theta is adjacent side. Opposite of this 90 degree is hypotenuse side. Now let us take the right triangle BAC first of all. Next we can take the BAD. Okay, both the right triangles separately we have to take it and find the AC value and AD value. We have to find the distance between the two ships. C and D be the position of two ships. No? We have to find the distance between CD. For that, first of all, we are using the right triangle BAC and we have to find out the distance CA. After that, we have to use the right triangle BAD and we have to find the distance AD. Last, we have to add both the values. Okay, let us do. First of all, ABB, let's write what are the values given. Okay, diagram is very important. So read the question and you should know to give the diagram. First of all, it is the lighthouse. C and D be the position of two ships. Then we have to join. Here it is given 30 degree angle of elevation. Here it is 45 degree angle of elevation. Okay, to find the distance between CD. So what is AB? What are the values given? Let us write. AB be the height of the lighthouse. Okay. Let AB be the height of the lighthouse. That is AB equal to given 200 meter and C and D be the position of two ships. Angle also given. Angle this angle ACB, angle of elevation. Okay, angle ACB equal to 30 degree, comma angle ADB, this angle ADB equal to 45 degree. In right triangle, first of all let us take this one BAC. Okay, BAC. Here this opposite of this theta is the opposite side. Opposite of this theta is the opposite side. Adjacent side we need to find out. Okay, hypotenuse not necessary. opposite side value is there, adjacent we have to find out. So tan ratio only can be used. Okay, why we are using tan ratio? No, adjacent we need to find out, opposite value is there, hypotenuse not necessary. Okay, so sin cos we can leave, so we can use the tan ratio. So here theta is given 30 degrees, so tan 30 is equal to, our formula let us write, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So theta is 30 degree. So tan theta, in place of tan theta, tan 30 degree can give, is equal to, here opposite side is 200 meter. Opposite side is 200 meter divided by adjacent side we have to find out. Adjacent side is AC. Okay, in place of adjacent we can give AC. What is tan 30 value? Do you remember? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 200 by AC. Okay, let us cross multiply. AC equal to 200 root 3. Equation number 1 can be given. Okay. Now let us take the next right triangle. What is the next right triangle? We have BAD. Okay, in right triangle BAD, tan 45 degree. Okay, see the diagram. Theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Here also this adjacent side AD need to find out, opposite side value is there. So tan ratio can be used. Okay, so tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent. What is the opposite? 200, that is AB. AB by adjacent side is AD. Okay, tan 45 degree is equal to 200 by AD. What is the value of tan 45 degree? Do you remember? Tan 45 is 1. 1 divided by 200. 1 is equal to 200 divided by AD. Cross multiply it. 1 into AD is AD equal to 200. Okay. It is equation number. It is given by meter, no? So we can use meter. Here also we can use meter. To find CD, no? To find CD, we have CD equal to, see the diagram. CD equal to, this total distance is CD, that is CA or AC plus AD can be right. CD equal to AC plus AD. What is AC? AC is, from the equation 1 we have 200 root 3 meter. So 200 root 3 plus what is AD? 200. Okay, which is equal to, here 200 common, take it out. 200 into, here root 3 is there, plus here 200 we have taken out, so 1, which is equal to 200 into root 3 value is given, it is given in the question. Okay, 1.732, which is equal to 1.732 plus 1, which is equal to 200 into 2.732. Okay, multiply and write, we get 546.4 meter. Therefore distance between 2 ships is 546.4 meter. Understood, students? Let's write the example 6.22. Okay, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a tower is fixed at the top of a 30 meter high buildings are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Did you understand the question? There is a building. Above the building there is a tower. Okay, diagram is important. So you have to read the question 2 times or 3 times, and you should know to give the diagram. What is the question? There is a building. The height of the building is given 30 meter. There is a 30 meter height building is there. Above the building there is a tower. Okay, see the diagram. Just imagine it is the building. Above the building there is a tower. It is the tower. Okay. So this side point of observation. Okay. Top and angle of elevation is given. Top and bottom of the tower. It is bottom of the tower. So angle of elevation of this bottom of the tower is given 45 degree. So just join this one, ground level join. Angle of elevation is 45 degree. As well as from the top of the tower, angle of elevation is given 60 degree. Okay, join. It is 60 degree. What is the question now? This also join here. It is the tower. What is the, sorry, it is the building. 30 meter. 30 meter. What is the question? What is the height of the tower? Okay, it is the tower. Above the building there is a tower. So let us name it AB. It is the building. AB is the building. Above the building there is a tower. That is AC. This height of the tower we have to find out. AC we have to find out. Okay. So let us take height of the tower is height meter. Unknown value. Height meter. This one only we have to find out. Here name it. This point of observation is P. Okay. So let's write what are the values given. Let us write. Let AB be the height of the building. AB is equal to 30 meter. AC be the height of the tower, comma, AC equal to height meter, unknown value. This one we have to find out. Here BC equal to, so BC total value. BC equal to this AB plus AC, that is 30 plus height. 30 plus height. Okay. Now we have here two right triangle. Can you identify ABC? Okay. It is 90 degree. ABC, sorry, ABP and CBP. These two are the right triangle. Can you identify ABP as well as CBP? These two right triangle we are going to use. First of all, let us use the right triangle ABP. Okay. In right triangle ABP, here theta is here is at 45 degree. Opposite of this theta is opposite side. This adjacent we need. Okay, then only we can find out this height. Adjacent side we need. Hypotenuse not necessary. Okay, so tan ratio can be used. So in right triangle ABP, here angle of elevation is 45 degree. So formula need means right, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent. Okay, opposite value is there. So tan 45 degree is equal to opposite side here AB, that is 30 divided by BP. Adjacent side we have to find out BP. So tan 45, what is tan 45? 1. 1 is equal to 30 by BP. Cross multiply it. BP into 1, that is BP is equal to 30. It is given meter, no meter. Next right triangle let us take. Okay, what is the next right triangle? We have CBP. CBP. Okay, this full right triangle. Okay, in right triangle CBP, what is the angle of elevation? 60 degree. Okay, tan 60 degree is equal to, see the diagram, tan 60 equal to opposite side is this BC. Okay, adjacent is BP. So it can write BC by BP. What is tan 60? Do you remember? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to BC by BP. Root 3 is equal to, what is BC? See the diagram. BC is 30 plus heights. This total distance. Okay. BC, that is 30 plus heights. So in place of BC we can give 30 plus heights divided by, what is BP? 30 meter. What is BP? 30 meter. 30. Cross multiply it. 30 into root 3 is equal to 30 plus heights. Okay, we need to find out heights now. So this 30 bring here. Okay, so 30 root 3 minus 30 is equal to heights. From here 30 commonly take, 30 into root 3 minus 1, 30 we have taken out, so minus 1 equal to heights. From here 30 into, what is root 3 value? It is given 1.732 minus 1 equal to heights. This one separated. 30 into 1.732 minus 1 is 0.732, which is equal to heights. Let us multiply and write. We get 21.960. Okay. Therefore, height of the tower, height is equal to 21.960 can be write 96 meter. Understood, students? Let's write the example 6.23. Okay, what is the question? A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. The tower is watched from a point on the other bank directly opposite to it. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 58 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Okay, two questions we have to find out. Okay, question is somewhat lengthy, but answer is very simple if you are listening carefully. Okay, listen carefully. Let us draw the diagram first of all. Let us draw the diagram first of all. TV tower is mentioned. No, let us draw the tower here. It is the TV tower. TV tower. Okay, it is stand vertically. Okay, as it is given in the book, if you need you can draw. Okay, you can copy from book. Okay, otherwise like a triangle model means shortly you can draw like this. As service you can draw. Okay, so nearest back of this tower there is a canal. Okay, so opposite of this canal, it is opposite of canal. Okay, it is the canal, means river. Opposite of this canal, angle of elevation is given 58 degree. Join. Okay, 58 degree. So again from this another point 20 meter away another one point. 20 meter away another one point. Angle of elevation of this point from top of this tower is given 30 degree. Did you understand the diagram? 30 degree. Okay, it is TV tower. So let us name it A, B. 58 degree, 30 degree, it is 20 meter distance is given. It is C given. A, B, C, D. As service we can name it. Okay. What are the values given? Let's write. Let AB be the height of the TV tower. Height of the TV tower. BC be the width of the canal. See the diagram. See the diagram. BC. Okay, it is the canal means river. Width of the canal. We have to find out this one. Okay, width of the canal and height of the tower. These two questions we have to find out. Then CD is given 20 meter. Now let us take the, here we have two right triangles. Right triangle ABC as well as ABD. Okay, separately both the triangle we have to use it and find out the two answers. Okay, let us do one by one. First of all, let us take the right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, what is the tan theta formula? Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, here identify the sides. Opposite of theta is opposite side. It is opposite side. Nearest to the theta is adjacent side. So AB by BC. Here theta is given 58 degree. Tan 58 degree is equal to opposite side is AB by BC. So tan 58 degree value is given in the question. 1.6003. Okay, let's write. 1.6003 equal to AB by BC. Let us give equation number 1. Now let us take the next right triangle. In right triangle, now bigger right triangle, let us take it. ABD. Okay. So ABD. Here angle is given 30. So tan 30 equal to opposite by adjacent. That is AB by BD. What is tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by BD. Equation number 2. Let us divide the equation 1 and 2. Then AB term can get cancellation. Okay. So divide the equations 1 and 2. So what is equation 1? 1.6003 LHZ by second equation LHZ 1 by root 3 is equal to RHZ divided AB by BC divided by AB by BD. That is, as it is right LHZ here, 1.6003 by 1 by root 3 equal to here AB by BC. This division change it into multiplication. So BD by AB. So AB cancel. From here we get 1.6003 by 1 by root 3 is equal to BD by BC. BD by BC. Here this division, let us change it into multiplication. So this 1 by root 3 can write root 3 by 1. So root 3 will come in the numerator. Root 3 into root 3 by 1. Okay. Division we are changing into multiplication. So root 3 by 1 into 1.6003 equal to BD by BC. Let us multiply. What is root 3 value now? 1.732 into 1.6003 equal to BD by BC. The smooth value let us multiply. We get 2.7717 equal to BD by, let us give this BD. What is BD now? BC plus CB from diagram. BC plus CB by, see the diagram. What is BD? What is BD? BC plus CD. Okay. BC plus CD by BC. Which is, that is 2.7717 equal to BC plus, from the diagram CD is given 20. Okay. 20 by BC. 2.7717 equal to, it can be right, BC by BC plus 20 by BC. Here BC by BC is 1. Okay, 1. That is 2.7717 equal to 1 plus 20 by BC. This, let us take this one to this side. Okay. So 2.7717 minus 1 equal to 20 by BC. Subtract it. 2.7717 minus 1 is 1.7717 equal to 20 by BC. Cross multiply it. 1.7717 into BC equal to 20. From here BC equal to 20 by 1.7717. So to cancel this decimal, it can be write 20 by 1.7717 into here 4-digit decimal. So multiply up and down 10,000. Okay, 10,000 by 10,000, which is equal to, let's multiply 20 into 10,000. We have 2 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh divided by down, it becomes 17,717. 17,717, which is equal to, let us divide it as usual division. 2 lakh divided by 17,717. Here one first, here 5 digit. First 5 digit together takes 1 time. 17,717. Subtract it, we get here 0. Sorry, here first 5 digit we have taken. So 0 minus 7 not going. Take one borrow. 10 minus 7 3. Okay. Then here 9 is there. 9 minus 1 8. Then 2. 9 minus 7 2. Here also 9 minus 7 2. Okay. Then cannot divide. So next 0 is there. Take it down. Again 1 time. 17,717. Subtract it. We get 5113. Next cannot divide now. So 0 here decimal give. Here 0. So it is again 2 time. 2 into 17,717 we have 35,434. Subtract it. We get 15,696. One more 0 make it. Next 8 times. 8 into this value we get 14,1736. Subtract it. What we get? 15,224. Then one more 0 put it. Again 8 times. 14,1736. Subtract it. So 2 digit enough. 3 digit we have taken now. Enough. Okay. So that is 11.288 etc. etc. to go. It can be right 11.29 meter. Okay. It is BC value. BC equal to 11.29 meter. One more value we have to find out. Is it? It is width of the canal. Width of the canal equal to 11.29 meter. So BC we got it 11.29 meter. That is width of the canal. Okay, 11.29 meter. Now it is, let us give equation number 3. From the equations 1 and 3, if you are equating, we get the AB value. Okay, AB is the height of the tower. So 1 implies 1.6003. That is AB by BC, equation 1. 3 is BC equal to 11.29. In place of BC, let us substitute this value. Okay, now cross multiply it, we get the AB value. After multiplication 18.067, that can be right 18.07 meter. Therefore, height of the tower is equal to 18.07 meter. Okay, understood students? There is a homework exercise 6.2 first question. Okay, find the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of a tower of height is the 10 root 3 meter. Okay, see this diagram. It is the tower. Height is 10 root 3 meter. Distance between tower and the angle of elevation is 30 meter. What is this angle of elevation? You have to find out. It is theta. Okay, opposite side is there, adjacent is there. You have to find out the theta. Tan ratio you can use. Understood, students? Complete it. Okay. Okay, these are the today's question. Today's class question also take it practice as well as do this homework also. We can meet in the next class. Thank you, students.